Hello folks, this is a quick video. Jen and I are out in Oklahoma looking at some property. Most of the places that we visited, the owners were reluctant to have us videotape, so that was okay. We respected their privacy and didn't take any video of that. But this is just us driving around the countryside in eastern Oklahoma. We spent almost a week here and found some really nice stuff. Hopefully in the future we can get a little better video footage. I know we will once we own the properties. So I hope you enjoy. It's just a quick little video. Thanks for watching. Hello folks, hello from Oklahoma.
Hello from Oklahoma.
So Jen and I are going to be looking at some property today, and it's a blistery 37 degrees out there, a little chilly. We're here in the end of January 2021. Wow. 2021. Anyway, so we'll take you along with us today. We're going to go look south of the 40. We're starting in Sallisaw, Oklahoma, which is the eastern side of the state. And we're gonna go south, and
shout out to Aroma's Coffee, little local coffee shop. I always have to find those, so I'm very happy. Very good coffee. Thank you, girls. It was delicious. I'll be back.
So some people think of Oklahoma and they say, well, it's flatlands and it's all just prairies. Well, that's not true. This side of Oklahoma, where we are, the east side, eastern end anyway, is a lot of hills and what they call mountains. Of course, from being from the west, we know mountains, but you can see a lot of different trees, mostly hardwood forests, but up in here, it's really pretty. This is a lot of pines. And the best part is we have been parked on this side of the road taking photos and videos for about 10 minutes and have not seen one car. Couldn't do that at home. folks, so that's the end of our video. Obviously, we didn't go into detail of exactly where we're looking, pretty much for obvious reasons, right?
Yeah.
And but anyway, that's Oklahoma, and we're at a beautiful RV park here. Right now, I'll give you guys a little tour of it. But we hope you liked our quick little video of some of the areas we're looking in Oklahoma. Jen's flying out here and she's leaving tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning.
And I'll be headed west as well. And we'll be back with normal videos starting in 2 weeks. Thanks everybody for watching.